Ready Chef Go microwave, oven, and grilling containers are part of a new generation of cook-in packaging designed to present ready-to-cook or heat and serve fresh prepared foods. This is packaging made to go from case to cart to cooker, and it's the fastest way to fresh. Consumers enjoy the easy, no-mess approach. Retailers love the profitable portioning and private label appeal in their perimeter. Consumers are attracted to the colorful print and convinced by the simplicity and convenience. Delicious meals cook evenly right in the container, so shoppers keep coming back for more. Here's a look inside our Ready Chef Go sample box. First, we have our Ready Chef Go large dual ovenable box. These ship seated. This is the food divider insert. Just pinch the center to a peak and place it in the bottom of the box. Then simply close the lid with the bottom tab poking through the lid slot. Next, we have our Ready Chef Go medium and small microwave boxes with lids. These ship flat. With excellent product protection and presentation, these boxes are ideal for side dishes, salads, and other fresh prepared foods. To assemble, gently pinch the corners to form the base. Then, do the same for each lid. Finally, simply place the lid over the base. Most retailers use labels to secure these lids, but tamper-evident stickers are also a good idea. Next, we have our legendary Ready Chef Go bags. These use an adhesive to seal the bag after it's loaded with a meal. Once the sealed bag is heated, the ambient moisture inside circulates for a gentle, even cook, known as sous vide. The bag can be refrigerated or even frozen for later cooking. They are self-venting and available in both brown or black, either with or without printed suggested cooking times. Assembly is easy, but food handlers will want to remove at least one glove before removing the cover from the adhesive strip. Just strip, zip, tuck, and roll. The Ready Chef Go stand-up pouches work just like the other bags, but allow a little more working room and look great standing up on the shelf. Finally, we have Ready Chef Go steam pouches, perfect for fresh produce. Like all Ready Chef Go products, food cooks right in this bag. Assembly is really easy. Just load and squeeze the zipper seal. As a bonus, we've added one example from the array of point-of-purchase promotional banners available to retailers who roll out a Ready Chef program in their store. Also available is team training, which includes access to hundreds of recipes crafted with busy category managers in mind. We hope you are now better oriented with your set of Ready Chef Go bags and boxes that can help you test and present your own merchandisable creations. You'll learn more about Ready Chef Go and see information designed for consumers at ReadyChefGoBags.com. If you have any questions about this kit or would like to order additional product samples, please contact your local LK representative or visit lkpkg.com.